Hi everyone. This video features a simple yet highly profitable neural network trend following strategy. We have seen a lot of people overlook this strategy because of its simplicity. However, in the video, you will see the power of trading it. The trading system is perfect for beginners as it has set rules for entry, take profit, and stop loss. What this means is that this video will cover the complete neural network trading system from start to finish. Before we get started with this phenomenal trading strategy, make sure to click the like button on this video, type boom in the comments, also subscribe and turn on the bell so that you never miss an update from our channel. As always, nothing in this video is financial advice. It's all for informational purposes only. The trading system can be used to trade stocks, forex, and cryptocurrencies, and it can also be used on any time frame, meaning it can suit any type of trader. As you will see in this video, the strategy can generate signals that provide fantastic risk to reward ratio. The strategy has a simple set of rules that we'll be covering, and this means anyone can follow them. On TradingView, we are going to search for the following indicator, which is the neural network indicator by Unknown Unicorn. What I recommend is that you add the indicator to your favorites to make it easier in the future to find. A neural network is a type of machine learning algorithm that is inspired by the structure and function of the brain. In the context of forex trading, a neural network might be used to analyze market data and make predictions about the direction of currency prices. Next, let's make a few changes to the neural network indicator to make it easier to use. Firstly, we are going to change under settings the type that the indicator will provide. To do this, select the trend following option. What this means is when price is below the 200 EMA, it will only take sell signals, and above the 200 EMA, only buy signals. Next, we are going to make a few adjustments to make the indicator easier to read on the chart. You will see that the neural network indicator has multiple different options. However, to keep the chart simplified, we are going to unselect everything except the 200 EMA, the HMA line, as well as the strong, short, and long labels. By selecting only the strong signals for this indicator, you will see that it has removed a lot of the noise from the indicator and makes it simpler to trade for beginners. Next, to improve the strategy even more, we are going to add the moving average convergence divergence indicator, or MACD. Under inputs for the indicator, we are going to leave everything on default. However, we are going to make a few changes under style. Under style, we are going to make the following changes. First, remove the MACD and the signal line. Second, change the histogram colors to green and red only. What this means is when the histogram is below the zero line, it will appear red, and when it's above the zero line, it will appear with green candles. Today's video is sponsored by Trader Edge, the backtesting software we personally use. You guys have seen us using it in a bunch of other videos. Backtesting with Trader's Edge is 3 times more effective than methods like spreadsheets. It provides you with an edge score, which is determined by metrics like profit factor, average winning, and losing trades. So make sure to check out their website. We have a link in the description below. Next, let's get back to our chart and look at the rules for both buy and sell for the trend following neural network strategy. Our first rule is where the price is located above or below the 200 EMA. If the price is below the 200 EMA, the indicator will show red for sell, and when the price is above the 200 EMA, we are only looking for buys or longs as the indicator shows blue. As you will notice, the signals printed are aligned with the trend, meaning when the indicator shows blue, only long signals appear and vice versa. It is important for the strategy to be profitable to only trade with the trend. The next trading rule is whether the MACD histogram is showing bullish or bearish momentum. What this means is the MACD needs to confirm the entry along with the signal from the neural network indicator. As you will see, once the MACD histogram has crossed the zero line, it turns from red to green, meaning we have bullish momentum for our long trade. By combining the indicator with our MACD, we are able to eliminate false signal and enter the market at the right moment with momentum. You can always expand your indicator window and use the horizontal line function to check your entries. Next, we are going to the 5-minute time frame, and let's take a look at a sell example and show you where to place your stop loss and take profit according to the rules of the trading system. You will see once the MACD histogram has turned from green to red, we could have entered a short or sell position on the Euro USD. You can use the 200 exponential moving average as a stop loss and place the stop loss at the 200 or just above the 200 exponential moving average and take your take profit for a risk to reward of 1 to 2. What this means is for every 1% risk, you should aim to make 2%. If you enter according to these rules, you will see that you can eliminate many of the false signals, as the histogram can also give you an indication of sideways market movements with the size of the histogram candles. Let's look at another example of a sell or short. Again, the histogram turns from green to red, meaning we have potential sell in the market. You can place your stop loss just above the 200 EMA again and aim for a 1 to 2 risk to reward. In this example, a stop loss would be 22 pips and we will have a take profit of 44 pips. By trading along with the trend, you are aligning yourself with the smart money. Next, let's take a look at the sell or short rules for the strategy. First, price needs to be below the 200 EMA and showing red. Next, we need to have a sell signal printed by the neural network indicator. The MACD histogram needs to turn from green to red or below the zero line. Next, the stop loss is above the 200 EMA and always aim for minimum risk to reward of 1 to 2, meaning for every 1% risk, you should aim for a 2% return. Let's take a look at a summary of the buy side rules again. Price needs to be above the 200 EMA or the color blue. Next, the MACD histogram needs to change to be above the zero line or green when entering a trade. The stop loss needs to be below the 200 EMA and aim for risk to reward of 1 to 2. What we see on the chart, as the price of the histogram tossed up, it started turning green and we could have entered a long position. You could have placed your stop loss just below the 200 exponential moving average and aim for 1 to 2 risk to reward, meaning on the 4-hour time frame, we could have had a stop loss of 2,306 and a take profit of 4,606. After a couple of candles, you would have seen it reach the take profit level. It is important to note that the same strategy and indicator can be used for trading any instrument in TradingView. Let's take a look at an example for Bitcoin or BTC USD. The same rules apply. The indicator shows blue above the price, which means we are only taking long signals. We place our stop loss below the 200 EMA and aim for a take profit that is double the size of our stop loss. Now, if you have made it this far in the video, it is time for some bonus content. First, what I'd like you to do now is comment with boom down below and update us on the instrument that you will be trading. The following way of trading the strategy has exactly the same rules for entry. However, instead of a 1 to 2 risk to reward, you are waiting for price to cross the HMA line or the HMA line color to change. This way, you're able to get these high probability trades with a fantastic risk to reward ratio. So the strategy works on different time frames and instruments in the market. and feel free to test it for yourself against the instrument that you like trading. Now, the strategy and indicators in this video are completely free to use. But if you are looking for an amazing premium indicator, we personally use Lux Algo Premium for our trading, and we highly recommend it to anyone that wants more success in the markets. We've got a link to it in the description below, so make sure to check it out. And if you want to see the trades that we are actually making, like this one, that we recently posted that got a 114% return, check out our Telegram channel and join our all access Patreon. Link to those are in the description below. So I hope that this indicator and strategy was helpful. If you want to become a better trader, make sure to check out the following video. Until next time, happy trading.